Alright, I believe I'm recording. Yeah, it's working. Let's see what today is. I got work in a bit, so I gotta hurry this up. I got 230 subscribers. What's up, everybody? Whoever clicked on this video, hopefully you're doing alright. The fuck happened to my comments? What's going on? Sorry. Anyways, guys, I am on day 64. Welcome. Today I don't really have much time, but I'll work on however much I can do. Alright, anyways, so continuing this asteroids project. Moving. So now instead of rotating, we need to ship to move back and forth with W and S keys. Assignment. Create a new constant. Constants apply to represent the player speed. I name mine player speed. Okay. Player underscore speed is equal to 200. So add a new method in the player class. So in the player class, doesn't it show you like? I see. Anyways, we'll go back here. We're gonna make a new. What do they want us to call it? Focus, huh? Add a new method in the player class. Oh, in the player class. Yeah, well, yeah, we're in the player class. Called move. So it has to be there. Has to be move. Right, and then we're gonna do self. And then we need DT. After that, it takes one argument DT1 to modify. Wait, are we right? Are we want to make a move? Are we taking DT? But first we need to do a little bit of math. We start with a unit vector pointing straight up from a fucking unit vector. Holy ball sacks. Okay. We want to modify the player's position, but first we need to do a little bit of math. We start with a unit vector pointing straight up from there. We rotate the vector by the player's rotation. Player's rotation, so it's pointing to the direction the player is facing. We multiply the player speed by dt. A large vector means move faster. Add a vector to our player position. This is a course on programming, not vector math. So we've done the math for you. All those boil down to these two lines. Yeah, put it here. You're good. Thank you. Alright. So then we move on to okay, so I guess they give us the code. I'm guessing this shouldn't be here. Right, okay. So modify the update method in the player class. Update method. So updated what? So what we do when what? So modify the update method in the player class to call move method when the so we want the class to call the move method. So we want here see this. I'm not understanding. To call the move method, so it's the same shit. Damn, I gotta do this as well. Are you dead ass? There's no way I was gonna get that. Oh, we had already the WAS. Doesn't make sense. Because I already had the A and D. A and D is to move left and right. Okay, I'm not gonna look at this. I'm trying my own. Okay. A and D means to move left and right. And they're calling rotate. So if we do if keys high game set what we did A and D. A and D moves left. Left is A. You can see the negative D here. Right is D. So WASD. So A and S means up. So let's do W first. Let's do W. If keys W was pressed, we want to self dot. We want to move forward, so we're gonna call the move method, and then we do the DT in the move. Now that's when we go up, so that should be positive, right? So if I do this with S, right? So it should be negative right here. I understand what's going on. I see what this so the keys in the Pi game uses this right here, the key underscore D to move. So if I'm correct, W, yep, S is negative because we go down. A is left, so we go negative, rotate to the left, and okay, I get it. W's. See, I didn't just paste it. I kind of understood what was going on. I just didn't understand what it means by update the method, but I guess we're good now. Holy moly. Let's try to commit real quick. So get everything we did. Did I say player? Yeah, I did. Then if we get commit, what did we do? Was it the move? Boy. So added movement to character going up and down. Also move method. Get it put. Alright, cool. So where we at now? We're in groups. So currently we manually call dot update and dot draw, yeah, on the method, which means our game loop is going to get more as we add more objects to the game. Fortunately, Pygame has a solution. The group class is a container that holds and manages multiple game objects. We can organize our objects into various groups to track them easily. You can think of them as a sort of a Venn diagram. An object can be in multiple groups at the same time. Eventually our games groups will look something like this. Yeah. Shots is this. Draw. The asteroid is this, right? Shot is that. What's this blue thing? The drawable. So creating and using groups. You can create a new group, new empty group like this. Sprite. To add all instances of player to two groups. To add all instances of players to group A and group B. In instance, we add a class variable or static field called containers to the class. Just like so. We'll literally this one line you don't need to bother adding. After changing after changing static field like containers, make sure you create all player objects as a change. This way that they can you can iterate over objects in a group like okay, you may also call the update method for every member of a group by calling it. So Simon, before the game move starts, create two groups in main. So two groups in main. Updatable, all objects that can be updated. By the way, I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. My AC is so hot in here. What else are we doing? Okay, so we're creating. I'm guessing we're making two groups in main. We could create a new group like this. So I'm trying to understand what that. Oh my fucking god, bro. Hold on. Alright guys, my fucking AC and my fan just went out and a bunch of stuff is like low-key turned off in my room. So I'm gonna do this again. I just don't want my PC to crash because then this some like I should be bugging. So I'm gonna just stop here. I'm gonna finish this on my own, and then I don't know how much I'm gonna do with this shit. I'm gonna start this, I guess. I don't know how much I'm gonna do with this, but yeah. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry. All right, bye.